Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to Kababayan Today. Kasama natin dito on the show si Attorney Joe Sayas Jr., who is an experienced Filipino trial attorney who has helped employees and consumers for more than 20 years.
This segment is brought to you by the Law Offices of Joe Sayas Jr., lawyers helping employees and consumers.
Kasama natin si Attorney Joe dito sa Kababayan Today. He has successfully recovered wages for thousands of workers in hospitals, medical facilities, laboratories, parking companies, offices and warehouses, supermarkets, retail, transportation, aerospace industry, at naku, napakadami pa, domestic occupations. He's never afraid to take on the case for ordinary workers. And he's battled big companies in courts and won. He's here today to talk to us about our rights as Filipino Americans. Thank you so much, Attorney Joe, for being here on Kababayan Today.
Thank you, Chief, for having me here.
All right, it's very important that we are able to share with our kababayans that they have rights in the workplace.
That's correct.
Okay, and you've dedicated your whole professional career to helping out people in the workplace. So let's get started.
Sure.
What are the important information that all employees should know?
First, we should know that for every work hour, they should be compensated.
So, sa bawat oras na nagtrabaho ka, kailangan bayaran ka?
That's correct.
Okay.
That's correct. And in some instances, merong mga wage practices sa trabaho sa opisina which does not fully pay the wages of our kababayans. And they should know about it. That there's some technical qualifications that should be explained to our kababayans.
Okay. Attorney Joe, this is an honest question. Siyempre, pag nasa trabaho ka, ayaw mong magreklamo kasi mawawalan ka ng trabaho. Totoo ba to?
Correct. Alam mo, sa batas, protektado ang mga empleyado pag sila'y nag-a-assert ng kanilang karapatan. We protect employees against unlawful discrimination or retaliation. Basta meron tayong basis, pwede tayong magtanong, ano ba talaga ang iyong karapatan?
Okay. So, pag-usapan natin, are salaried employees entitled to additional pay? Kasi marami tayong mga kababayan na they're paid a flat salary every 2 weeks. Pero syempre, minsan out of the 8 hours that they work, nagtatrabaho minsan sila sa weekends or lumalagpas sa 8 hours. Kailangan ba bayaran sila dito?
Kailangan. Minsan, kasi itong mga kababayan natin, they were thinking that kung nabayaran sila ng fixed salary or flat rate per day or per week, the employer can ask them to work beyond 8 hours without paying or without payment of overtime. Hindi lawful yan. The employer should pay them extra whenever they work more than 8 hours.
Okay.
Karaniwang nangyayari yan sa mga...
Pero kung paano hindi sila nagka-clock in, paano yun? How will you be able to figure out if they are supposed to be paid overtime?
Alam mo, sa batas requirements sa employer na maggawa sila ng records, okay, as to the work hours of the employees. Pero kung walang work hours, there are ways of getting that. Maybe the employee has recorded something.
So dapat sinusulat, di ba? Sinusulat palagi. Sa araw na ito yung trabaho ko, lumagpas ng 40 hours a week?
Yes, it's either more than 8 hours a day or 40 hours a week.
Okay, this is very good information. Anong mga klaseng employees qualify for this? What kind of industries? Because when I introduced you, parang napakadaming industriya, di ba? So kahit na ba sino, basta may trabaho sila, are able to get information and services?
There's a wide cross-section of employees who are protected under California law. No? Iba-iba lang minsan, but for some, in the case of salaried or flat-rate employees, we have helped security guards or accountants or truck drivers, bus drivers, couriers, retail employees, a variety of them, even domestic housekeepers
Oo,
or
kasi
caregivers.
lahat may karapatan, lalo na
That's
dito
correct.
sa Amerika, di ba?
Yes,
And it's so
yes.
easy for employers to take advantage of that because alam mo naman, tayo mga Pilipino, hindi tayo mareklamo.
That's correct.
Di ba? When we work hard at
Right.
miski alam natin na hindi na tama, wala tayong sinasabi.
And we work very hard. We work long hours just to finish that work.
At kailangan we should be compensated for it.
Yeah, should be.
All right.
Yeah, we should.
Kasama pa rin natin dito on Kababayan Today. Napaka-iksi kasi ng panahon. So when we return, kasama pa rin natin si Attorney Joe. We'll be right back.